So I just bought a new GPU, a $10,000 GPU to be exact. And on top of that, another $1,000 or a little bit more PSU. The PSU is a power supply unit because it's what gives the power, the energy for the computer to have enough electricity to power up the GPU. And in terms of power, I mean, I'm already using a lot of electricity right now. Like, I don't even understand how the police has not come yet to my house to see if I'm not growing weed, because I'm really using a lot. The current PSU is a 1600 watt, which is already a lot. The new one's gonna be 2500. As of now, we have the 5090, a Threadripper 7995WX Pro, and 1 terabyte of RAM. This is kind of important. And then we have the 2 water pumps and all the cool water systems, and a lot of fans down, up, here, like everywhere. But you see, the issue with having just one GPU is that I can't use the computer for everything. And the problem with me is that I want to use my computer for everything. On top of that, I'm a lazy person. Like Bill Gates said. Bill Gates said, if you want to hire a good developer, hire the laziest one. I'm a very lazy person. What I mean by the fact that I'm lazy is that basically I have a gaming computer just here. This is for gaming. And this computer is made for work. But the problem is I'm too lazy to move from this computer to this computer. Basically super lazy, which is just turning my chair and moving. But I'm lazy to reconnect this card, reconnect all the software all the time. Also, on top of that, this computer, if my girlfriend or a friend of mine is using it, I can't use it. So like if I want to play a game with my friends, can't use it if this one is being used. So I needed a solution, and my solution is, okay, I'm gonna put two GPU. So one can be used for gaming and the other one can be used for AI. Or if I'm not playing, I can use both for AI. The problem is the 5090 is cool, but it's limited. It's limited because it's only 32 gigabytes of RAM. And you know, cool. But then I discovered this 6000 Blackwell Pro Workstation Edition, which is basically 3 times more expensive than the 5090, but I get 96 gigabytes of VRAM and a little bit more of power. Just a little bit more. It's not like crazy, but just a little bit more. It's basically a 5090 for crazy people like me, which is perfect because I am crazy. So what did I do? I obviously checked for it to be somewhere, and now my driver is currently driving to the shop where I bought it to pick it up and send it to me. Now, why it's very cool is that basically I'm gonna be able to both play video games while I have AI workflow going on. And the thing is, because it's 96 gigabytes of VRAM with as much CUDA and a little bit more than the 5090, I can have efficient on both. Very good FPS on video games while doing amazing calculation on the AI on the other side. And if I really wanted to be not playing game, I can just unify both VRAM with an LLM or things like that. But for models that don't take it, like, I don't know, video models or image model, I can just use the 96 gigabyte VRAM and have some block swapping in place. Like, you know, at the end of the day, I have like 192 cores on the Threadripper and 1 terabyte of RAM that can be used. So there is plenty of room for a lot of cool calculation going on. And here you go. We got the GPU over here and the PSU over here. I'm extremely excited. I'm joined with my friend who happened to be sleeping at my house because he's moving to Dubai and is now helping and witnessing the beautiful upgrade of the computer right now. So yeah. How do you feel about it?
It's very exciting.
Exciting. So a little update on the computer upgrade journey. I failed miserably at removing the 24 pin for the PSU on the motherboard. I ended up the day in a very depressed way. So the guy who built my computer initially from the HyperPC team told me, okay, come tomorrow and we'll take care of it. And I came, and this guy took out the 24 pin in like 5 minutes. I spent like 6 hours on it. So shout out to HyperPC. They're really the best. They're really building amazing computers. And if you're in Dubai, anywhere in the world to be honest, and you need a really good workstation built by people who know how to do shit like this guy, then go to HyperPC. They're really, really good. First time I'm using the dual capture on iPhone, by the way. This is pretty amazing. So now we can see the Pro 6000 Blackwell Workstation Edition, the 5090, the 1TB of RAM, and then we can see the CPU. So it's 96 core and it's like 192 logical processors. Comfy UI started with the Blackwell workstation. I just had like to adapt a little arguments in starting the software, and now it's selecting the 6000, and I'm just copying all the LoRa models as well to the new Comfy UI folder. The reason is I basically swapped the previous NVMe with 1 terabyte. Oh my god, it's burning. And I've put a 4 terabyte inside this. So now I'm just transferring everything. With the 1 terabyte, I've been fighting continuously to save space, deleting models I don't use, blah, 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 which I think is good practice. And at the same time, it's kind of annoying, especially, but you never know if you're gonna reuse something or not. So I just want space. I would have wanted to buy the 8 terabyte, but it was not in stock today. So I just took the 4 terabyte. I'll see, maybe I'll need to upgrade, maybe not, we'll see. And here we are. I'm currently in Arc Raider. The GPU 0 is 26% used. We got GPU 1 doing a Comfy UI. I'm gonna start playing because I want to get inside the game. I'm playing the game. I'm currently at 65 FPS. I don't know. It's not that much FPS, but whatever. And it's running while the other GPU is doing the current iteration. It's pretty amazing. And in terms of the iteration, I'm at currently 17 seconds per iteration, because we reach, I think, the thermal throttling of the GPU, which will be until this goes into a water block. There we go. It's currently 2 a.m. My plane, I'm flying, and I'm supposed to wake up at 3 a.m. But I did a lot of tests, reinstalled my driver like 10,000 times. Everything is working well, everything is good. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. Now I have a computer perfectly fitted for my laziness, on which I can play and work in the same time with very heavy workflow. So I'm a very happy man. My computer has the cost of a luxury car, which somehow makes me also very happy. It's my thing. And on that note, I wish you a very good night, because I'm clearly gonna go to sleep at least for 3 hours, and see you for the next video.